guys, and welcome back to my channel. Fenty Beauty here, and today's video, this clip, I'm showing you trying out a new foundation that I purchased. It's the Bare Minerals Pro Foundation. I chose the shade Hazelnut in the number 25. I'm just showing you guys applying it with my Morphe sponge. I like this foundation. The consistency of it to me is like Fenty Beauty. Very kind of like lightweight, but like a good amount of coverage. And then this clip, I'm showing you how it looks against my skin. Again, I do like this foundation. It's not overly special, like Huda Beauty is still my jam, but this foundation is very, very nice for those who like the Fenty Beauty foundation as well. It's very similar. So I do my brows and the rest of my face off camera, and we're gonna jump right into this tutorial. I'm going in by applying NW15 Pro Longwear Concealer to my eyes. This is what I like to use for a base when I'm doing like extra bright eyeshadows. I'm then gonna take my Coastal Scents customized palette. These are their Hot Pot eyeshadows. I have like 4 palettes, 3 smaller ones and 1 large one. I love Coastal Scents eyeshadows. They are usually like on sale a couple of times throughout the year for like 99 cents, and they're so bomb. So I'm taking this baby blue color from my customized palette and I'm popping that in the inner portion of my crease, building up to the intensity that I like. Then I'm going to go in with like a medium blue shade and overlap that in the middle of my crease, again building it up to the intensity that I like. After I've built that up, then I'm going to take a large fluffy brush. This is, again, as usual, my E22 brush from Morphe Cosmetics. I like using this and my face powder to blend out the edges of my crease. Blue eyeshadow is like probably one of the hardest eyeshadows to blend out, so you have to take your time and go back and forth when blending these type of colors. Now in this step, I'm just taking a darker blue, like a navy blue, and blending that on the outer V of my lid, again until I'm satisfied with the intensity of the color. Once that is all said and done, I'm going to go ahead and cut my lids. I'm not doing like a full out, like winged out cut crease. It's just my lid. I'm using the Inglot gel liner in 94 to do this, and a e.l.f. concealer brush, but it's like a nice definer detailer brush to me. So I'm using that until I am satisfied with the sharpness of my cut crease. Then I'm taking that light pale sky blue color from the Fenty Beauty Galaxy palette, and I'm going to pop that all over my lids. There's a lot of fallout with this palette, which I don't really mind. I usually just end up misting my brush to kind of foil out the color. So that's what I end up doing, and I press it into my lid to have minimal fallout as well. Then once I'm satisfied with the intensity of that shimmery color, I'm gonna go in with Huda Beauty's Smoky Obsessions palette in like that black, and I'm gonna add that to my outer corner of my lids. So now for my lips, I'm taking RK by Kiss liquid lipstick in Aged Rose. This I found at my local beauty supply store. I'm just applying that to my lips now, and then I do the rest of my lashes off camera, and I mist my face with my setting spray. This is my final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and I will see you guys in the next one. If you are new, do not forget to subscribe to my channel, comment down below, and guys, please do turn on your notification bell so that you can see my latest video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye, loves.